If you've ever known someone who's been injured or sick, they most likely relied on doctors and other medical professionals to get them well. And those same medical professionals that help patients rely on a group of people who work in a field known as biomedical engineering. The goal of biomedical engineers, or bioengineers, is to produce equipment, devices, and other technologies that can help treat or cure an illness or repair part of a person's body. They solve health issues and create their products with the help of science and math. Bioengineers have developed a wide range of technologies you've probably seen or heard about, like X-rays, MRIs, and ultrasounds that allow doctors to view what's happening inside your body. People who have lost a leg or an arm to disease or injury can benefit from artificial limbs designed by bioengineers and constructed of metal and plastic. Metal pins are implanted to help stabilize injured bones and muscles. Pacemakers are tiny devices placed into the heart to regulate an irregular heartbeat. Many people lose teeth because of accident or disease. People in the biomedical field create dentures and implants to replace teeth that have been lost. Bioengineers also develop other healthcare-related technologies that test blood or are used in physical therapy. Bioengineers produce technology that assists physicians and nurses to solve medical issues. Today, one significant development in medicine is stem cell research. Scientists can produce virtually any type of tissue with stem cells. This bioengineered tissue can replace nearly anything in the body. Cancer can be cured, many disease symptoms can be alleviated, and there's hope on the horizon that one day, body parts may even be grown in a lab. Think about it. Maybe one day you'll become a bioengineer and use your math and science knowledge to invent medical devices that'll help people to live healthier, happier lives.